Jeremy, another hot one. What did our temperature reach today?
Yeah, we've made it up to about 100 now, and we shouldn't go much higher than that, but the heat index, of course, is well above that. We're seeing heat index over 110 in many locations. Take a look outside. What we're dealing with right now, we've got more cloud cover than yesterday. That's because Bertha is not too far away from us. Some rain starting to make its way on the coast, just some high clouds here. But we still have those hot temperatures. We made it up to 98 right now at San Antonio at the airport officially. The heat index feels like 102 degrees when you factor in that humidity, which is sitting there at 35%. Thankfully, that humidity is not all that high. That heat index could be a lot higher. Winds right now out of the north at 10 miles per hour, being on the western side of Bertha. Dew point sitting at 66 degrees, barometer 1010 millibars of mercury. You can see we have the hundreds down to the south and west, 102 Del Rio and Eagle Pass, 100 even for Carrizo Springs, 101 Pearsall and Cotulla. Bernie, one of the cool spots at 93, 91 Victoria, and you can see cooler temperatures toward the coast, and that's where Bertha is having a bit more of an impact this afternoon. Feels like temperatures way up there, 112 for Del Rio, Eagle Pass, 111 Uvalde, 105 Hondo, San Antonio. Again, the feels like temperature is 102, feels like 101 in Kerrville, 107 Gonzales, Hallettsville, 108 degrees. Heat advisory in effect for all the counties shaded in orange, pretty much almost every county here on the map. That is running until 8 o'clock tonight for those heat index values are exceeding 110 degrees in many spots. There are the river flood warnings for the Frio and Nueces rivers. Both have crested, but will take their time to go down. For the Nueces River, it won't be until next Tuesday when the river drops out of major flood stage. So quite a while to get out of that. Thankfully, not a lot of rain in the forecast, but Bertha could be a little bit of a bugaboo in the forecast for our southern counties. You can see the leading edge of that already causing some rain along Seadrift, Fulton down towards Corpus Christi and around Bay City. And as that storm moves inland, it is going to fizzle a bit, but it is going to give us some chances for showers and a little bit of gusty winds overnight tonight, but not all that strong and mainly in our southern counties. There's Bertha right there. For the most part, though, high pressure is in charge. It's sitting right over West Texas, really right over the panhandle. The winds around it out of the north in a clockwise direction, and that's helping to keep much of the convection from Bertha down to the south. The center of the storm, actually not far from Houston, but all the convection and activity is down to the south of the center, and we're seeing it moving onshore now. The winds are at 40 miles per hour, west-northwest winds 13 miles per hour. That's the movement of it, and the barometer continues to go up as it weakens. It'll continue tracking to the west and dissipate, and as the center gets close to San Antonio, again, that main convection staying down to the south. You can see by 9 o'clock tonight, some showers off to our eastern counties and our southern counties. By the late overnight tonight, here we are at 3 a.m. as Bertha falls apart, could bring us some showers, an isolated thunderstorm, and some gusty winds up to about 30 to 40 miles per hour. That should be few and far between. By the morning, we start to dry out, and in the afternoon, it's mostly sunny skies. Highs again tomorrow into the upper 90s to near 100 degrees. And then as we head into your Saturday, the same thing. We'll start out with more cloud cover in the morning, though. Temperatures in the 70s. By the end of the day, mostly sunny. High temperatures in the mid-90s. So a little cooler behind Bertha, thankfully, thanks to this northerly winds. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Showers moving in from the south and east. Temperatures dropping into the mid-80s. For your Friday, some showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm in the morning. Then by the afternoon, mostly sunny and a high temperature of 95 degrees. 96 on Saturday and Sunday, 97 Monday, and we'll keep going up from there, and we'll see our highs stay mostly in the mid to upper 90s through the end of that 14-day forecast.